Thank you so much. A look at Tinubu's ministerial list points to the fact that the man is out to institutionalize corruption. Over 90% of those on the list are men and women who by now should be under EFCC prosecution for corruption charges. But the government of the day is out to compensate them for the role they played in helping APC to win 2023 presidential election. So the issue of charging them for corruption, count it out. It will never happen. That is the story of a nation. Corruption now institutionalized. Nobody to be charged for corruption. It makes no sense. Because all the who is who ordinarily should prosecute corrupt people, are far more corrupt than any other person. That is the reality on ground. May God save Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.